Now look, I don't want to visit. Hello? Yep, right. Now look, I don't want to visit. I just want to be able to see the products on the screen. Oh. Oh, seriously? Hello, love. Yeah, I'm on my way. I'm just finishing up.
I know where you live.
What the? What's this? God, this is everything in one place. I suppose Siemens are on here, are they? What if they've got Kuka robots on here as well? Surely they don't do door interlocks as well.
Engineers Insight has a free mobile app that gives you access to the industry from your phone 24/7. Search Engineers Insight on the App Store and download today for free.